What's up, guys? Jaxon Hallman here. We have a plane. We have one airplane. We had three, but I think the rest of them went to the airport to get loaded up with fuel and stuff. But I'll get back to you when I see the rest of them. So bye. Just subscribe to my channel. So thank you. Bye. Alright, guys. I'm videotaping. Got a big, huge plane again. What? Well,
Helicopter right there.
there's a helicopter right there, guys.
Is it gonna go sloof?
I don't know, but look how low that is. Jesus.
Is it gonna put it down?
Maybe. Oh yeah, up there. I see it.
You can see one in the far distance back
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
We're just watching it right now.
You can tell they're red.
I'm seeing if I can get one on video of them dropping.
When I went to OMAC a couple weeks
Yeah, they
ago,
might be
I
getting
seen
ready.
them with they were in a
But I don't know which airplane is gonna do it.
bucket taking it out of the river. I was driving to take a picture.
Stop on the side of the road.
I could have. There just wasn't.
Oh, get ready, boys.
It was just water on both sides.
Is he not gonna drop it?
I don't know, he's coming down pretty low. Looks like it might be getting ready to do a thing, but I can't say.
Look how low that plane is.
Bro, it looks like it's about to hit the house.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh, no, it's going back up. It probably sees the house.
Just waving at the planes. Don't mind us.
Yeah. Hi, guys. Hi.
How can you not hear them? That is really weird. Whoa, whoa,
Well,
whoa.
those cars are probably done helping. They probably know. Maybe.
That was quick.
Did they dump yet?
Wow, look at that.
For them to help.
I wonder if they're getting
Wow,
ready to
there's
drop right
another
now.
one just came out of freaking nowhere.
Where? Oh, that one?
Came from back across that mountain.
Oh, yeah.
Ah.
There was one. It was right. Oh, he jumped it!
I think I got on video, boys.
He
This
jumped it.
next one's coming in to do the same thing.
Where?
Right over there. You see it's coming up, it's coming to the left.
Yeah.
Not that one over, not to the left of the house, the right of the house.
Okay.
Same place the last one dropped off. Right here, right now.
See right
Ready?
above the...
Yeah, I know.
Do it! Scabash! Yeah! Woo! Drops his load.
What is up, boys and girls? If you're watching this, we are live right now. Look at this. Look at this plane. Oh, hold on.
West, that fire dust?
Right.
I can't. Is that a helicopter?
Yeah. Has to be the way it's changing direction. I didn't know they had water helicopters like that.
Yeah, it shouldn't be.